Velocipede, not velocipede, more money. Derības? Es saku, ka neņems, jā. Ko mēs tagad darīsim? Bez nekā personīgi, bez aizvainojuma. Pie banāniem iesim.
Bet paprasu, mēs varam filmēt.
Kā lai es to paprasu? Es angļu valodu nezinu. Hello, man. Yeah, we can film. We can film.
All social network.
It's okay, no problem. But first of all, I want to see the car.
Yeah, which the car you interested?
Octavia.
Skoda Octavia.
Yeah, Skoda.
Yeah, okay, let's go. You have money? You have money?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much? Oh, that's good for you need for a job this car? Yeah, for job, but they are not technical inspection in this car, you know? You that see in the yeah, that's car not for you, yeah? You need a technical inspection, yeah?
Any issues? Like any mechanical side or something?
Nofilmē, kad es nesaprotu neko.
Viņš rasa ir kaut kāds tehnisks problēmas.
Oh, tehnisks problēmas.
Es varu izturēt.
Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe buy, maybe go.
So can we check that?
Yeah, you can open door and check everything, what are you interested. No, mums vajadzēs, tur pa-ļubomu būs, es viņiem nevaru izstāstīt, tur pa-ļubomu būs kaut kas jāiegūt tajā autiņā. Nē, mans uzdevums viņiem ir pateikt, bet tu jau piefiksēji to, kad es saku, ka finish, bet loģiski. Nu, es domāju, ka paņems. Jā?
Nu, mēs varam uzlikt derības.
Derības?
Es saku, paņems.
Es saku, ka neņems, jā. Skaties, es iešu pēc boosteri, un noteikti, kad es tev atstāšu vienu no viņiem, viņi pazudīs. Es esmu 100% pārliecināts. You need the keys.
There are so many arrests, that's why we don't.
Yeah, but that's a car for 1,000. Velocipede, not velocipede, more money.
Do you have any, like this anyone with a technical?
In technical inspection?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Zini, parasti bija kaut kādas šitās te Counter-Strike CSA bija vai kur? Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Zini. How much money you have? 2,000? Yeah. Oh, you need a manual or automatic? You need a manual, yeah? There have a technical. 1,500. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you next time, yeah? Okay, good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah,
You know what's the name? Cheburek. Cheburek?
Jā.
Yeah. Tad sanāk to, kad pazaudē derībās. Nāc mājaslapā, sako līdzbrauc ciemos, pild līzingu pieteikumu, sūt savu veco automašīnas vērtēšanu, kā daļas samaksas. Es domāju, mums būs tikpat izdevīgs darījums, kā man derības ar tevīm bija. Beigas. Ko? Tu man teici, lai es pasaku beigas?